In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can hide a folder on Windows. So let's get started. It's just very easy. So I have this folder right here and this is the folder that I want to hide. So what we can do, we need to make a right click and then select show more options. Click on properties. Now here in the properties window, you'll find this option hidden. Click on that. Click on apply and click on OK. And then click on OK again. Another folder is hidden. So how can you view it? We just need to go back to the Windows search bar, type File, Explorer, Options, click on it under the best match, and here you'll find the View tab. Now simply choose this option, Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click on Apply, click on OK, and that's it. We have now this private folder right here, okay? So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.